Disscot, welcome to Universals Aventura Hotel. We made it! Look where we are! There you go,
That's big. This is weird because I've seen this in so many videos. Hello! Okay, so I am in my new hotel. I am in the Aventura, Universals Aventura. I've been here before. I haven't unpacked anything, but I must apologise because I have got bits lying everywhere already because, well, I can mess a room up very quickly apparently. Anyway, I'm going to do a quick room tour and then I'm going to unpack and relax. So, this is a standard king room. It's not got the best view, but to be honest... Look what I've just realised. I can see Epic Universe from my room. Look, there's the coaster. And then that's the new hotel. I'm just happy to be in my room. I'm really pleased with it and I will show you around. So, I first of all have, well, this is the entire room. I have a couch, which I'm really happy about because I'm just going to sit, chill and all that sort of stuff. I have a king size bed. First of all, I've got a wardrobe here with a safe and some hangers, an iron. I have, there's an ironing board there, a wee luggage rack and some spare pillows. I then have a full length mirror, and then I've got my bed. I've got some lights above the bed. It's a huge bed, by the way. I've got it's like an iPad that controls the room, which I haven't even touched yet. We'll work that out. Lovely drawers, phone. So there are plugs and USB points and all that jazz, like next to the bed, which is very handy. I have a television, some drawers. There is also a fridge because when we arrived earlier, we literally threw a couple of drinks into my fridge so I would have some cold drinks and we left. I say we. I'm here with some friends who are staying in another room. Their room wasn't ready, my room was. So we literally dumped our cases, used my safe, and we went out, had dinner and all that sort of stuff, came back. They had their room, they've gone to their room, but they were like looking out for me. They were like, Claire, you need to put some drinks in the fridge so you've got something nice and cold to drink when you get back. So I am actually at this point very grateful for that. I have coffee machine, it's an ice bucket, some cups, some coffee, and other condiments. Look, that's a nice touch. I've got a notepad, a pen, more charging units, plugs. I think that's a Bluetooth speaker maybe. A wee light. And then we have the bathroom, which I've got, a couple of wee cups. I'm assuming that must be a hairdryer. Spare toilet roll bin. Some handy cloths. That's my sun cream, some soap. It's a nice sink. Lovely mirror. Hi! A couple of plug points. And then let's go. I haven't even looked in here. Nice. Chair. Toilet. So lots of lovely towels. And a shower. The shower head is there. And then we've got some toiletries. One of these are really, personally, I find these really handy. Your wee doodah, because if you've been to the swimming pool and you've got a wet costume, that's perfect. Oh, there's also a wee hanging bit here. So that's quite handy. So yeah, no, I'm really, really pleased with this room. I specifically really like, as crazy as it sounds, the couch, because it's just nice to be able to sit on a couch when you're in a hotel if you've got a little bit of downtime and relax. Anyway, I'm away to unpack and then relax on the bed and go for a lovely sleep. Oh, before I go, I'll show you my view. It really isn't the best. Although I do have a friend staying over in, well, actually, do you know what? It's not as bad. It's not bad. So my friend is over there in End of Summer. Hello, Charlie. And then I've got friends who are up one floor. And we've got like the Starflyer in the distance.